former child star Ricky G. Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Why? A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live anymore. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a old frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of UFO hotspot. Welcome to the world of no.
Hey, the movie Nope shot in Santa Clarita. That's where these sets were. That's,